Today, I'll show you how to pin Google Chrome to the taskbar in Windows. If you use Chrome often, pinning it to the taskbar is one of the easiest ways to open it faster. Microsoft says, Windows lets you pin apps directly to the taskbar, either from search or from an app that is already open. That means if Chrome is installed on your computer, the process usually takes only a few clicks. The first method is the easiest one for most people. Click the Windows search box on the taskbar or open the Start menu, then type Google Chrome. When Chrome appears in the results, right-click it and choose Pin to Taskbar. Microsoft's official Windows support lists this as a normal way to pin an app to the taskbar. On some Windows 11 menus, you may need to choose Show More Options first before you see Pin to Taskbar. There's also another simple method if Chrome is already open. Launch Google Chrome first, then look at its icon on the taskbar. Right-click the Chrome icon and choose Pin to Taskbar. Microsoft says this works for apps that are already running, so it's a quick option if you already have Chrome open on your screen. Now, if you can't find Chrome in search, there's a good chance it is not installed yet. Google's Chrome support says you need to download and install Chrome on Windows before you can use it normally. Once installation is complete and Chrome opens, you can go back and pin it to the taskbar using either of those methods. One helpful thing to remember is that pinning Chrome to the taskbar is different from setting it as your default browser. Pinning only gives you faster access from the bottom of the screen. If you ever want to remove it later, Microsoft says you can right-click the Chrome icon on the taskbar and choose Unpin from Taskbar. And that's how to pin Google Chrome to the taskbar in Windows. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.